Hello, I'm making a video for Saturday and I went to fold my bike and something just happened. The chain fell. So I think this is a perfect reason for a quick tip. Let me show you how to do it. It's so easy. Sometimes this happens. The chain fall off of this crank here. So you just fold it here so you get space. See how much space do we have? Grab with your hand. Wait, you're gonna use the paper later because sometimes if you grab with the paper, it gets stuck in here. Oops. Okay. After you put it, clean your hands. And I'm a girl. And move backwards. And that's it. I know. Easy, right? And voila. Perfect. Very, very easy. It's a very quick tip. It's just that first time it happened to me, I was so, wow, what can I do, no? And it's so easy. Just loose this a little bit and you're gonna have a lot of space to work in your chain. I hope you like it. It's a very quick tip. It just happened, so I want to share with you. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you're not part of the channel yet, please do. Please be part of this great channel that's growing and making a lot of friends all over the world. See ya. Bye-bye.